what's poppin'? How you doing? I feel so naked. I don't have any makeup on. In today's video, we'll be trying to perm our very own eyelashes. In my last video, we will be trying this lash lift by Tetyana, and girl, today is the day. I am low-key nervous because I am not a pro, but I feel like this kit right here is gonna be our friend because it is made for us that don't know much. So I'm nervous, but I'm excited because we just need to follow some instructions and hopefully it will just all work out by itself. Anyways, I personally purchased this in Amazon, and of course if everything works out, I will link it down below. If not, it will be an experience for both of us. I just hope it all works out. Alrighty guys, before we start, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Alrighty, first thing first, let's open this and let's see what it comes with. Alrighty, in the back it looks like there is 8 steps that I need to follow. So what we have right here is a manual that I probably need to read, and oh my gosh, these are so cute. So we have a perm right here, fixation, nutrition, cleanser, we have a glue, cleaning tools, and lift pads. Alrighty guys, I'm just gonna show this because these are so tiny and they are so cute. Can you guys see that? Alrighty, so here's a quick description for this kit. It says,
Tetyana Natural Eyelashes Perm Kit offers a beautiful, long-lasting lash lift. The kit provides professional, safe, and effective solution to hold their curl for at least 4 to 6 weeks.
I need that. And guys, and that's why I got this, because first of all, I will save money. Second of all, it will save me some time because I keep curling my eyelashes. Alrighty, I think we are ready. Without further ado, let's get it. Alrighty, so we have our handy dandy manual and we're just gonna follow the directions and we'll see how it goes. Use a cleanser to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue, which we already did. That's why we have a naked face, so check. Choose the right size of lift pads for your eyelids. So in this little itty box, there's some lift pads, it says right here, and we're just gonna choose what fits in our eyes, and it looks like that. And I'm probably gonna go with mediums. I don't have a long lashes, but I also don't have a short lashes. So I'm taking out the one in the middle. I'm not really sure how this works. So we got our pads, so put the glue all over the lid pads and wait until the glue is tacky. So here's the glue that they provided. I'm not really sure how much, but we're just gonna put some in there. Hopefully that is enough. If not, we're just gonna put more. I probably put too much. Hopefully this is tacky enough, but we're gonna put this in my eyes right now. I'm gonna put you guys closer. Alrighty, this is better, so I'm gonna put this in and hopefully it will stick. So I think that's the best thing that we can do. I will definitely do eye at a time. I don't think I can do both at the same time. Oh, so that was the 4th step. Put it in your eyelash lid. So that's check. Then apply the glue on the base of the pad and wait until the glue is tacky. I really hope I'm doing this right. So I put the glue all over that lid. Use the brush-shaped head on the Y-shaped tool to stick your lashes on the pad. Wait for 1 minute. Oh yeah, it is working, girls. I look so funny. Alrighty, I feel like everything is in there, so we can start on the next step. Apply the perm lotion on your lashes. Wait for 8 to 12 minutes. Oof. I feel like this one I really need to focus because it is time sensitive. I feel like if I put in there for 1 more minute, everything will just fall off. So this one didn't really come with brush like the other one, so we're gonna use some cotton buds. Just a heads up, there is a cap right here.
Why is it not going in? Girl.
Just gonna put some. I don't know how much I need, and we're just gonna apply it carefully. I feel like I need to fix my eyelashes, and I'm just using a toothpick so I have more control. Alright, I think I'm happy of what it looks like right now. I'm gonna start the timer. I don't want this to fall off my face. 2, 1, and that's it. Alright. Apply fixation lotion on your lashes. Wait for 8 to 12 minutes. Just like that. Oh yeah, I'm just trying to make sure that every hair has some fixation. Alrighty, it looks like it's just the way I want it. Now we wait again. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I am so excited to see the result because this looks bomb. Oh my god, we're so close. Clean the eyelash on the pads and use number 3 nutrition lotion to nourish your lashes. That sounds easy. So I'm gonna take off the blue stuff using my toothpick to clean it out a little bit. Also do not know how much I need to put, but this is good for your eyelashes. We're just gonna clean it up. Alrighty, that's that. I feel like I cleaned it off real good. Which is the very last step. I'm so excited. Use the number 4 cleanser lotion to clean off all the perm residue. Apply the cleanser between the pads and the eyelid in order to remove the pad. Oh my god. You guys can see the difference between this eye and this. Are you serious? I really hope this lasts for 4 to 6 weeks like they said. And we are done. I just cannot wait. Here's the before and after. It just looks too good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Overall, you guys, I am loving the way it looks. I mean, I just look more awake. Also, I already washed my face because I wanted to take off some chemical residue around my eyes, and I felt like I need to wash it before I go blind. And this is what it looks like. Like, it stayed up and curly, so I'm not gonna overhype it because it's only the first day, but I'm probably gonna put some updated clip right now. Hello, so here's an update. Oh my gosh, it's been a week, you guys, and she is still hanging in there. I have not curled it and I haven't put any mascara on because I just love the way it looks. So here's a close-up look. Oh my gosh, it still looks so good. Like, we approved. And yeah, that is just a quick update. Back to you, Mikey. And the good thing is I still have so much product in this container, so even if it goes down in a week, I can still redo them. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys have purchased this product, let me know in the comments down below. And also, before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. I love my eyelashes. Bye.